Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is Bengal Chana Sundal. Sundal means a seasoning given to any grain. Today I'm using Bengal gram to make it into a sundal. Let's begin the recipe. Bengal gram soaked overnight. Pouring in water. I'm infusing this with a piece of cinnamon and a clove. Adding some salt. Give it a mix. I'll pressure cook this for at least 4 whistles. Oil, mustard seeds. When it starts crackling, I'm going to add in hing, urad dal, chana dal and green chili paste and few curry leaves. It's time to add boiled chana, coconut, since we have added little salt for boiling, check the salt and add little. Now time to add lime, turn off the flame and add freshly chopped coriander. And this is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.